Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol AMRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. That's where these green and red line annotations are coming from. Did the video on, or I should say did an analysis video on Thursday. But as we head into the weekend now, let's get some levels updated. Although update's not the right word, probably more so confirmation than anything else. And the main point of confirmation had everything to do with this $17 level here, which is representing that green line as far as, being the key level of support. If you start to go back through the history of things, you can see that back on Thursday acted as support, and then Friday right here, the price got right down around that area, including the afternoon where once again the price went down in that area and did indeed hold. So 17 definitely an area that you would want to see act as support, and so far so good. It is acting as support. The other level that I believe I talked about on Thursday, I can't quite remember, but is that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And I think I mentioned both of these levels, so it was good to see that although 17 was broken this morning, you can see right where it bounced off of the 50-period simple moving average. So nice to see the kind of some teamwork here going on from a support standpoint. So moral of the story here going into next week, $17 is not a do or die level, because as the chart has now shown us, in the event 17 cannot hold up, you do still have the 50-period right there, which we'll keep an eye on to make sure that that level holds. Now, if the price drops below that purple line, at that point, I'm not saying the price is dropping straight down to 1620, which is that green line down there, but that would technically be the next level of support as far as the chart is concerned. On the flip side of the coin, as far as levels of resistance, again, another kind of area of confirmation. Didn't quite hit it today, but during the first 30 minutes, you can see the price got relatively up in that range of the chart before pulling back. So it's definitely, been confirmed that, yeah, whenever the price has gotten up around the 1770-ish area, there are some sellers sitting up around there. So we'll see if the price can make a move or not next week. But right now, there's kind of this little miniature channel pattern that's formed. So it's a wait back and see for something to happen. What do I mean by happen? Well, again, either a breakout to the upside or a breakdown to the downside. We'll just have to see how next week plays out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.